Hey guys, so quick guide for you on how you can bypass the Steam family share. I found this on Reddit thread. Maybe it's going to help you, I hope so. That you can actually use. I'm going to link you this and you just want to follow this step by step. So what do you want to do? You want to downgrade your Steam client to build from before they added detection. And you just want to follow this, and someone wrote here, can confirm this method is still working, been using it since the dreaded update. So that's something you want to do. I'm going to link you this thread on the description, so you just click on it and then just like follow around what you need to do, and hope it's going to help you. Have a great day and goodbye.